Breakfast is the most important decision of the day, not the most important meal of the day.
Contrary to popular belief. This decision is going to affect all the rest of your decisions throughout the day and determine the quality of how you operate.
It's simple. The decision is whether or not you're going to break your fast.
We'll get to fasting a little later, but for now we're going to talk about the majority of us who like to eat breakfast in the morning.
In the book, Aubrey lists off 3 universal nutrition principles. Principle number 1, sugar will fuck you up.
In 1822, according to Dr. Stéphane Guyonnet, people consumed on average the amount of sugar currently found in a single can of Coke or Sprite every 5 days. Today, we consume that amount every 7 hours, with young males leading the way, consuming up to 100 pounds of sugar per year. Our diabolical addiction to this sweet stuff has not only been linked to obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and cancer, but has also been shown to degrade the skin and contribute to premature aging. There's no need to sugarcoat it anymore. Extreme sugar is fucking us up.
Have you ever truly noticed what we're offered in grocery store breakfast aisles here in America? Sugar on carbs, which turn into sugar.
What you're doing to yourself when you start your day with sugary Pop-Tarts or cereal or a sweetened milky coffee drink is you're hopping on the craving train, getting a high jolt of energy to feed your secret sugar addiction, then crashing 45 minutes later, requiring more sugary snacks to boost you to the artificially energetic level you were at before. This process then goes on all day long.
Principle number 2, fat is your friend. Our bodies are designed to use a balance of unrefined carbs, quality fats, and proteins as our sources of fuel. Quality fat slows down the absorption of glucose in the bloodstream, providing satiation while helping to avoid major insulin spikes.
There are bad fats. Fried oils, refined fats, and trans fats, like you find in potato chips or margarine, drive inflammation and make you feel sluggish and should be limited or avoided. As he states in the book, the good fats to start your morning include unprocessed meats, dairy, fish, butter, eggs, olives, avocados, coconuts, and raw nuts. Truly, we almost never eat breakfast, and that's Aubrey's 3rd principle.
Principle number 3, skipping is better than cheating. This is where we get back into the idea of fasting. Fasting is to abstain from food and drink for a specific period of time. It's been around for thousands of years, and there are many health benefits associated, such as weight loss, lower blood pressure, and decreased inflammation. Do some research of your own on fasting. It's a super interesting topic.
It's similar to how we would eat as hunter-gatherers, eating 1 meal or less a day, and there's a reason that this is implemented in so many religions across the world. As you make the decision on whether or not breakfast is right for you, keep in mind your day's intent. Everyone is trying to prescribe a universal solution to health, be it a diet or workout regimen, but all for one and one for all in this sense isn't real. It doesn't work. We all come from different backgrounds with different blood types and body shapes, different cultural customs, work lives, and amounts of free time. To be the most healthy in your life and your body, you need to find what works best for you. What's your intent? What do you want? What are the results you're looking for? Your diet and exercise should reflect this.
Our intent is usually to stay fueled up so that we can get our work done when we're at the coffee shop during the day.
On more relaxed days, I like to eat fruit covered in peanut butter or almond butter. Yes, fruit is full of sugar, but it's also packed full of fibers that help break down that sugar in our bodies. My friend, the CHIA babe, is a health wizard, advocating everything fruit, vegetable, and plant-based diet. She really knows her stuff and knows of a lot of vegan alternatives to things that Aubrey is suggesting in this book, so check her out if you're interested.
She and Drew are the 2 that got us on the health train in the first place, so thanks guys.
You are always so interested in what we're making in the Scamp, so here is one of my go-to morning recipes. To make this latte, I use a Ninja Bullet given to me by my friends Jill and Dave. I just used it to grind my coffee, and now I'm going to pour in my COWBOY coffee. I made this in a different video, and I'll put that link in the YouTube description. Next is some almond milk. Some coconut oil. This is what makes the latte frothy. It keeps you fueled all day and supposedly will slow down the effects of the caffeine in the coffee. Some cayenne pepper, some 100% cacao. And there's your latte. That's way better than my matcha latte.
We hope you found this information helpful in your quest to own your day and own your life. We'll talk to you in the comments and see you in Chapter 4.
Bye!